Dirt Fishman here again, y'all. It was another video. It's been kind of dry out here where I live at. Only two places that's got Hot Wheels is Walmart and Target, and they ain't putting that out in about a week and a half now. But I do got something to show y'all, and hope y'all enjoy it. First up is the, what's that there called? Count Muscler. I kind of like that one right there because the way it looks pretty cool for a fantasy car. I'm going to be opening these up too, and I'm going to put them on the turner so we can see them a little better. And I got this one right here too, which is a hot commodity around here. The 20 Toyota Tacoma. It's a nice truck. And I got this one right here because I'll try to get anything Barbie, since it's a husband and wife company, Mattel. That was pretty cool. And I got this one right here. The old Studebaker truck. I wish it was the Super, but it's not. It's the regular. Somebody already got the Super. And here goes my matchboxes that I got. I got the Beetle. Like I said, I can put all these on the turner too. And I have the 49 Kirk sports car. Pretty cool. Convertible. I like the grill on it. And I got the Willis Jeep. It's got the shovel and stuff on it. Spare tire. Pretty cool looking. And I got the 64 Austin Mini Cooper. And I got the 84 Toyota MR2. Just the headlights down. And it's right-hand drive. And I got the 74 Capri. Thought that was pretty cool. Yep. Alright, y'all. Let me get a second right here. I can turn this thing here around. And let's get the turner out. All right. First up, I'll go ahead and open the 74 up. There's a double protection layer on this thing. Huh. Uh-oh. Drop there. Check that joker out right there, y'all. I like that one. Up next is the MR2. Up next is the Mini Cooper. Now the Studebaker truck, this has got to be one of the coolest ones out of these right here. I just like it. And it was a well done one. Good looking truck. Up next, we have the Barbie. Up next, we got the Toyota Tacoma. That's another good casting there. It got good details. I like that. Up next is my favorite fantasy car, Count Muscle. These look cool to me. I don't normally buy fantasy cars unless it's a treasure hunter or super. Swamp Crew Jeep. Up next is Kaiser. Up next is the Beetle. Well, y'all, my birthday was last Tuesday, and my wife got me this right here. I'm gonna make a video of it, putting it together. See how it does. If it does good, I buy more Lego cars and put together on film. Just try and do anything I can in this dry market. If you like what you see, subscribe to my channel. In the comments, tell me which one y'all like out of these right here. And tell y'all's friends. Dirt Fishman out.